Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Summayyah Khimar Sewing tutorial. This khimar has extendable cape that can be used to adjust the khimar. It has a V shape both at the front and at the back of the khimar. It can also be used as a niqab using the cape. To sew this khimar, we'll be using my Summayyah Khimar Sewing Pattern. So to follow along, get yours with the link in the description box for free. Here are the material that we'll be needing to sew the khimar. Please refer to the instructional booklet that comes with your pattern to print and assemble perfectly. And of course, all the steps for the whole sewing process is also included in the booklet. I'm using a soft chiffon to sew this khimar. And here are the cut out pattern pieces. We have the front, the back, and the cape. Now let's get sewing. You have to mark the wrong side of the fabric for each cut out pattern pieces. We're going to start by overlocking the face opening of the front and the back piece, which is the upper part of the khimar. So you're going to open up the front and the back piece and then hem. For the front you have the curve part, and for the back it is straight. Once that is done, this is what you're going to have. Next is to join the side of the khimar. So you place the right side of the front piece over the right side of the back piece. Use pin to secure both sides and then sew. Once that is done, next is to prepare the cape and then attach it to the khimar. With the cape being folded vertically on the wrong side, I'm going to start sewing from the cape extension to the head area, so which I have done already. So except the head area, which will be left open. Ensure you make a snip around the curve areas so as to reduce fabric bulkiness when turning to the right side. So same as the other side also. So you make some snip along the stitch areas and then you fold to the right side. So you turn to the right side with the head area that is not stitched. You turn the cape to the right side and then press with iron. Now we are going to attach the cape to the khimar. To do that, I'll turn the khimar to the right side. As you can see, the seam allowance are inside for the side of the khimar. So next is to mark the midpoint of the back. The cape will be attached to the back face opening. So I'll fold the back into two and then use my chalk to mark it. I'll do the same process for the cape also. So the cape will be pinned to the khimar back, starting with the marked midpoints. So you pin and you do that from one side and repeat for the other side. Once that is done, go to the sewing machine and then sew the two together. Next is to finish up the face opening. To do this, I'm going to fold the front face opening by 1 centimeter and then stitch. So I'll be starting from where the cape stop. So using little stitch to hold down the cape, then I'll go to the other end of the cape also. To finish up the khimar, we'll be hemming the edges of the khimar. So you can either fold twice if you did not overlock the edges. So you fold about ½ centimeter and then 1 centimeter before stitching. So here I've already hemmed the edges of the khimar and I fold once using 1 centimeter. Last is to give the khimar a final press and it's ready. Remember, you can get the sewing pattern with the link in the description box and then make your own beautiful khimar that can be used for your everyday outing. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to know how to sew other modest wear such as jilbab, abaya, khimar, use the link in the description box and enjoy more than 50% discounts. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.